Introducing the Me28 Edgebander, manufactured by our partners in SEM. This is a super automatic edge bander which would make a great addition to smaller manufacturers. It comes with a glue pot and pre-mill in the standard and is capable of performing demanding and complex work with great ease. The control panel allows for simple usability of adjustments, settings, functions, which gives the operator a great deal of control over the machine. The pre-milling unit makes for a smoother, defect-free panel edge and a more effective gluing process. The independent exhaust systems ensures panel cleaning removes dust and chips from the panel. The very best finish of the edge panel is also guaranteed by the panel conveying track, which prevent the panel from having the feed affected by typical pulses generated by a pinion of a traditional track, and it ensures a smooth and linear panel movement. This machine runs melmine, PVC and ABS edging up to 3mm and wooden strips up to 5mm. It allows for edge banding with great flexibility. The control panel assists the operator through maintenance, cleaning, diagnostics, and so much more. As always, when you choose to purchase from Elite Woodworking Machinery, you have the peace of mind that you have a team of factory-trained engineers available for all associated works, from installation, commissioning, service, maintenance, and breakdown assistance. If you are interested in this Me28 Edgebander or any of our other machines, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team at elitewoodworkingmachinery.ie.